With this lamp lighting, we like to thank the Goddess of Knowledge for blessing us. We hope she blesses us with more success in school and the future. Ladies and gentlemen, no program can be started without remembering Almighty, the creator of whole universe. To start by the name of God, who is everything for us. Now I would like to call some students to help us communicate with God.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Let's dedicate a Saraswati. For that, I would like to call Isha and Arshpreet to perform Saraswati Vandana. वीणा की झनकार, तबलों की थाप, घुंघरों की खनक, कमल की छाप, गान से पहचान, माँ सरस्वती का हो जब सिर पर हाथ, फिर डरने की क्या बात, फिर डरने की क्या बात। एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है। पूछा चिड़िया ने कैसे 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 बना आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है। सूरत हो आप, मन से सच्चे हो आप, तारीफ करूं क्या आपकी, हमारे कार्यक्रम की सूरत हो आप, हमारे कार्यक्रम की सूरत हो आप। Please welcome the students of LKG class for a performance on welcome song. This performance will be a beautiful expression of warmth and hospitality designed to create an inviting atmosphere and set a tone for any gathering. It often embodies themes of unity, joy and celebration, making it a perfect introduction to an event. So please welcome them on a stage with a huge round of applause. जान तो भरना है, चाहे कई बार गिरना पड़े, सपनों को पूरा करना है, चाहे खुद से भी लड़ना पड़े, चाहे खुद से भी लड़ना पड़े। Every great dream begins with a dream. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience and the passion to reach for the stars, to change the world. On what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. expressive gestures adding a visual element, making the performance not just an auditory but also a visual treat.
A well-delivered welcome song leaves a lasting impression, setting a positive and engaging tone for the program ahead. It reflects that the organizers promote and create an environment of warmth and brotherhood.
Thank you so much, students. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to our tiny bundle of joy. Today our nursery superstars are ready to dazzle you with their adorable dance moves on the song Bum Bum Bole.
This song is about the imagination and innocence of childhood. It beautifully represents that learning can be fun and doesn't always need to be serious.
It reminds us that every child is special and needs love and care. The song talks about creating a happy and sportive place to learn. Now get ready to be mesmerized by their cuteness overload. Please welcome them on the stage.
Makalaka hukubukuri, tukubukuri, chakalaka bikko, chikko, sili 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 go, bagladum, chiki chakacho.
देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं खुले कहीं हम जैसे देखेंगे जैसी नजर अपनी सोचे चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन
दुकान है दिल में प्यार की दुकान है Wow, this for sure was one of the most adorable performances. Nothing can come at par with the beauty and the classiness of our little munchkins. Thank you students for this beautiful performance. करो, नाचो गाओ, सीना चीर के दिल को अपनी जान लगाओ. देखो ना सूनेपन से इस जहां को कुछ दूसरों का कुछ हमारा दिल बहलाओ. Now I would like to call beautiful girls from class 7th who will show the feeling of elation and hope associated with the endeavor perfectly through their dance performance. Shubh Arab.
संगे लवी हर गाए हय्यो हाय हाय आजारी के
सज सजिलो शुभ घडीचे हवी आछा आछा टमटमाता श्रवणाओ जे
executed with precision, each movement bringing with grace, and every expression conveys deep emotion that touched the hearts of everyone watching. Thank you, girls. It's an electrifying performance that will fill this air with energy and joy. Up next, we have a group of young, vibrant stars who may be small in size but are bursting with big energy and enthusiasm. So please welcome students of class 2nd who are here to remind us that age is just a number when it comes to lighting up the stage with confidence and charm. So let's cheer them on, let's clap louder than ever. ਜਗਾਉਂਦੀ, ਸਭ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਸਤੀ ਜਗਾਉਂਦੀ।
What an incredible performance! These young stars didn't just light up the stage, they owned it. Their energy, their confidence and their bright smiles have filled this air with so much positivity and excitement. Thank you so much, girls.
ਇਹ ਵਾਕ ਆਰ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਾਰ ਨਾਨਕ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਮਹਾਨਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਸਰਬ ਵਿਆਪਕਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਾ ਭਾਵ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਗਤ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਸਨਮੁਖ ਹੈ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਹਨ ਉੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਪਾਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੱਦ ਤੱਕ ਹੈ।
In Sikhism, Guru Nanak is often described as universal soul who embodies the divine light. This phrase highlights his limitless presence, reminding followers that no matter where he is, physically, mentally or spiritually, Guru Nanak is always with them.
To connect with God, our lovely students prepared a performance. Please welcome them by showing your support and your unshaken faith in God.
conveys that Guru Nanak is not confined to any single place, time or dimension. He exists both in visible, tangible world R and in unseen infinite realms beyond human comparison par.
It signifies his role as a bridge between the material and the spiritual world, guiding humanity across the metamorphical ocean of life.
A big thanks to all the students who connected each and every individual of this event with Master of Creation, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
ताली बजाने से बिजली का बिल कम नहीं होगा, ताली बजाइए।
जिन्ने आ पीर पैगंबर माए तू सब दारतबा ऐने तानी दिंदे लोकी माए तैनू रब दारतबा तानी दिंदे लोकी माए तैनू रब दारतबा था खुद जा नहीं सकदा शायद माता बना के रब की मां जैस कर दे माए तैनू मां बना के रब की मां जैस कर दे माए तैनू मां बना के दिल दे नेड़े शायद माता निकले ठिकरे बोड़ा नू फिकरा पै गईयां बोड़ा दी चाह बना के रब भी मां जैलस करदा माए तैनू मां बना के रब भी मां जैलस करदा माए तैनू मां बना के भावें लखां दुखड़े पुत भावें रंग दे सावले मावां नहीं छंदे टुकड़े पुत भावें रंग दे सावले मावां नहीं छंदे टुकड़े स्वर्गां नू स्वर्ग जमदा माए तेरी गोद च माके रब भी मां जैलस करदा माए तैनू मां बना के
चंगा पुत मैं आनी आ शाम नू तू अपना ख्याल रखी।
नहीं नहीं बेबे तू नहीं जाना किते हुण मैं भी तो वड्डा हो गया वा हुण मैं आप ही काम ते जाया करांगा।
नहीं नहीं पुत हले तेरी पढ़न दी उम्र आ तू बैठ के पढ़।
नहीं नहीं बेबे मैं नाल नाल पढ़ांगा भी ते काम भी करांगा।
माड़ी मोटी जिंदगी जिउण नहीं गए इत्थे आपां टाइम भी टपाउण नहीं गए माड़ी मोटी जिंदगी जिउण नहीं गए इत्थे आपां टाइम भी टपाउण नहीं गए ओ चांदियां दे वर्गे बेशक नाम सोने च लिखा के हटांगे सोने च लिखा के हटांगे छोटे छोटे घरां विचों उठिया जे पौंदे अगे जाके हटांगे छोटे छोटे घरां विचों उठिया जे पौंदे अगे जाके हटांगे जे पौंदे अगे जाके हटांगे के बैठे नहीं एवं किसे भाई तो उम्मीद ला के बैठे नहीं अपनी मेहनत ना आपे अगे आवांगे किसे दी गड्डी च एवं पीछे जाके बैठे नहीं किने किथे किथे केड़ी गल कही है कोई ना दिमाग च लिस्ट बनी पई है खुश होई जावे पर हौसले नहीं गिरदे तैनू की लगदा कि एवं तुरे फिरदे सामने एवं तुझो कराउंदे सी बाहर सोफे ते बिठा के हटांगे सोफे ते बिठा के हटांगे छोटे छोटे घरां विचों उठिया जे पौंदे अगे जाके हटांगे
बेबे बेबे
की होया पुत की गल होई?
बेबे तू आखदी सी ना कि तेन एक दिन बहुत वड्डी नौकरी मिलेगी आ देख तेरा पुत एसडीओ लग गया।
रब ने अज मेरी गरीबनी दी भी सोनी ही लई।
बेबे ये सब तेरे आशीर्वाद दे नाल होया है।
नहीं नहीं पुत सब तेरी मेहनत दा फल आ।
ठोकरी ठोकरी खा के उठिए बल्ले पैर पिछे ना पुट्टिए ठोकरी ठोकरी खा के उठिए बल्ले पैर पिछे ना पुट्टिए पहला पहला किस्मत लगे करदी हुंदी आ तार देख के एक लोटां दी रती हुंदी आ तुड़का 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 करके गुड्डी करदी हुंदी आ तुड़का तुड़का करके गुड्डी करदी हुंदी आ।
Please clap louder for our performers. इस एक्ट को देखकर मुझे एक शायरी याद आ गई।
तो सुनाओ फिर।
मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता साहब हौसलों से ही तो उड़ान होती है हौसलों से ही तो उड़ान होती है।
This performance reminds us that no dream is too big if you have the courage to pursue it. Even in the face of adversity, holding on to dreams and working towards them with patience can lead to success.
This play shows that success is not defined by circumstances, but by one's attitude, persistence, and willingness to overcome life's trials. Of tiny thoughts on an amazing song named Zooby Dooby.
The song Zooby Dooby from the Bollywood movie Three Idiots is a delightful celebration of love and dreams.
In the context of dreams, Zooby Dooby symbolizes how love can fuel our imagination, inspiring us to envision a world full of joy, adventure, and togetherness. So please welcome the students of LKG class with a huge round of applause.
जोरदार तालियां नाल बच्चे दा स्वागत कीता जावे। जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोगों को कम बनाया है, जिन्हें ऐसा बनाया है खुदा ने, आज वो हमारी महफिल में आए हैं। आज वो हमारी महफिल में आए हैं। बच्चों की मेहनत का रंग आज सबने देखा, आपकी तालियों का एहसास दिल में महका।
हर एक नजर में था एक खुशी का जहान, अब आपकी तालियां हो जाए तो हो जाए पहचान।
This song Zooby Dooby mirrors the carefree and whimsical nature of dreams, where there are no boundaries or limitations. The song encourages listeners to embrace their dreams with the same innocence and enthusiasm as one child does with love.
Its visual presentation, filled with vibrant colors and surreal elements, further emphasizes how dreams can be vivid escape from reality. Ultimately, this performance is not just about love, but a reminder to cherish the dreams that bring happiness
And purpose to our lives, much like the magic of falling in love.
Thank you, students, for such a lovely performance.
ਕੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਦੀ ਗਿੱਲੀ ਡੰਡਾ ਪਿੱਠੂ ਵਰਗੇ ਖੇਡ ਖੇਡੇ ਹਨ? ਨਹੀਂ, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਖੇਡੇ, ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਖੇਡਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੈ। ਅੱਛਾ, मेरी माता जी ने भी मैंने इन खेडों बारे दसिया सीगा। कंचे गिल्ली छोड़कर अब बच्चे खेलते हैं स्क्रीन। पुराने खेल खो गए, नए खेलों की है रीत। However, as we reminisce about these golden days, a stark reality emerges. The dream of traditional Indian games, once a vibrant reality, is fading into obscurity. Games like kabaddi, kho-kho, gilli danda and pithu, which once shaped our character and forged lifelong friendships, are gradually disappearing from our lives. Let us dream of a world where the laughter of children engaged in traditional games fills the air. By calling the students of first class to perform on the stage, let us make this dream into a reality. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
पढ़ाया, मुझे थोड़ा व्हाट्सएप कर देना था। राहुल, प्रियंका, खाना तैयार है, अपने दोस्तों को लेकर खाने के लिए आ जाओ। माँ, 5 मिनट के बाद, मैं पहले ये गेम खत्म कर लूं। माँ, अभी हमारा गेम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, हम बाद में खाएंगे। तुम सब बच्चे एक कमरे में बैठकर क्या कर रहे हो? देखो तो सही, क्या गेम्स खेल रहे हो? हम मोबाइल गेम्स खेल रहे हैं माँ। हमारा जमाना अच्छा था, ये मोबाइल नहीं थे। हम अपने जमाने में खूब सारे गेम्स खेलते थे, लेकिन घर के अंदर नहीं, घर के बाहर। क्या क्या गेम्स खेलते थे माँ? आओ तुम्हें बताऊं।
यादों की बारात निकली हयात के बारे, दिल के बारे, सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिनों को पुकारे, दिल के बारे, ओ छेड़ करारे मिलन के प्यारे प्यारे सन्ना मारे। यादों की बारात निकली हयात के बारे,
generations to rekindle the spirit of these games and to pass them on to future generations. We can transform this dream into a reality. Let us dream of a future where technology and tradition coexist harmoniously. A future where children spend their time not just scrolling through screens but also playing in the fields under the sky. Truly sophisticated and well performed by the students. इतनी मेहनत से परफॉर्म किया है और आप सिर्फ चुपचाप बैठे हैं. तालियां बजाइए वरना अगली बार चाय नहीं मिलेगी.
To one and all, before we move forward, I would like to welcome some esteemed guests जो अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से टाइम निकालकर हमारे फंक्शन की रौनक बढ़ाने आए हैं. I would like to welcome Mr. Rooplal Mahe, who has came from Doordarshan TV Jalandhar, and other honorable guests such as BP Bhajan Kaur ji, Ma'am Mrs. Mandeep Kaur, and Dr. Pyara Singh ji. I would like to welcome all of you. And a big thanks from the whole team of SPNS to come and shine our event. Thank you so much. And now I would like to request Gurman and Prabnoor from class 9 to take over the stage.
आवाज़ रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. तो चलिए चलते हैं एक ऐसे सफर पर जहाँ छोटे छोटे सपने हैं जो बड़े अरमानों से भी भरे हुए हैं. सपने वो होते हैं जो कभी हमारे दिल में छुप जाते हैं तो कभी वह हमारी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं. तो आज हम एक ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस देखने वाले हैं जो हमें वही सपनों तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेगी.
So, please welcome our UKG stars on the stage. Yes, you heard that right. Our little champs from upper kindergarten are all set to change you with their energy, creativity and a whole lot of joy.
अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हम तो आसमाना. यारबाज हम जानबाज हम कहते हैं हमको प्यार से. हम इंडिया
दिल दे कोने च आशावां दा चिराग बालदा, हरेक सवेर नवां सुपना लैके आउंदा. रुकावटां नूं जित जाना है मकसद साडा, सच्चाई दे राह उत्ते सफर साडा, सच्चाई दे राह उत्ते सफर साडा.
The theme of this performance revolves around hope, perseverance and the pursuit of dreams. Despite challenges and obstacles, it serves as an anthem for optimism and determination, encouraging listeners to believe in themselves and work tirelessly to achieve their goals.
The lyrics emphasize the importance of keeping faith and embracing every opportunity with a positive mindset, making it an inspirational and uplifting track.
Thank you so much students for such a mesmerizing performance. It was not just a treat to the eyes but also a source of inspiration for all of us.
So let's give a huge round of applause to these amazing students for their outstanding efforts and dedication. You truly made this event unforgettable.
Every institution thrives under the vision and the guidance of a great leader. We have privilege to have a principal whose dedication, wisdom and foresight have continually propelled our school towards excellence.
To give us an overview of our achievements, milestones and progress over the past year, it is now my honor to invite Principal Ma'am Mrs. Kamaljeet Kaur, the pillar of our institution, to present the annual report.
Before she comes ahead to discuss the annual report of the school, we the students wish to take this gracious moment to talk about the high flyer and powerhouse of talent, our scaffolding pillar and her noteworthy achievements in the field of education.
She received Best Award by the Indian Talent Olympiad this year. With this, she was honored Collaborative Excellence Award 2024 by GSLG. And she was also honored Emerging Education Hero Award by EGN India. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome our principal on stage.
Thank you, Ekam. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. First and foremost, I want to thank God for giving me the strength, wisdom and opportunity to be here today. It's my absolute privilege to stand before you today as we gather here to celebrate the annual prize distribution function based on the theme Udan, the Wings of Desire. It symbolizes growth, aspirations and the journey towards achieving one's dreams. It also represents the students' ability to dream big and work hard to achieve their goals. Thus, the Wings of Desire are not just the flight, but for the courage to discover the full extent of one's capabilities. It is rightly said that मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Our theme echoes the journey of self-discovery and empowerment. We want to encourage our students and teachers to trust in their abilities and rise above challenges, much like a bird taking flight, that is sapnon ki udaan. I, Kamaljeet Kaur, principal of this esteemed institution, feels truly privileged to welcome you all on this paramount day. First of all, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to our chairman, sir, Dr. Charan Singh ji, who is the backbone of this prestigious institution. Thank you, sir, for your unwavering support to the whole faculty of our school. Next, I heartily welcome Ma'am President, Mrs. Surinder Kaur, who is the great source of inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion with your esteemed presence. I feel really privileged to extend my heartfelt welcome to Bibi Bhajan Kaur ji, who is an epitome of love and kindness. We are really blessed to have you with us today. I am also glad to respectfully and cordially welcome the members of School Managing Committee, Mr. Satnam Singh, Mr. Pyara Singh, Ma'am Mandeep and other honorable guests present here. And it's my great pleasure to welcome my the respected parents of my dear students. I sincerely thank you for taking time to join us today. It's my privilege and honor to present the annual report before you. Success is the result of hard work, learning from failure, loyalty and persistence. Our students persisted and excelled in CBSE board exams and produced an excellent results once again. With immense pride, I announce that we achieved 100% pass rate in CBSE board exams in the session 2022-23 and also in 2023-24. Yuvraj Singh, the topper of class 10th session 22-23, scored marvelous 97.8% marks and make us very proud. Out of 100 marks, he got 98 in Hindi, 95 in both maths and science, 96 in social, 99 in both English and Punjabi, and perfect 100 in information technology. His scores were incomparable. Navjeet Kaur bagged second position with 93.8% marks. She got 96 in Hindi, 92 in social, 98 in IT. Third position was bagged by Manmeet Kaur with 90.8% marks. Her subject-wise scores included 94 in Hindi, 96 in English and 98 in IT. Give a big round of applause to all the position holders who worked really hard to achieve these scores. In session 23-24 also our students set a benchmark for the juniors and produced 100% results. Amritpreet Singh bagged first position with 93.8% marks. His subject-wise marks included 93 in Hindi, 92 in Science and Punjabi, 95 in IT and 97 in Social. Manmeet stood second with 81.6% marks, followed by Arsh with 80.2% marks. I proudly congratulate all the students who passed the board exams with flying colors. For the all-round development of the students, we make them participate in different types of sports. Our students took part in karate competition held in DAV College, Jalandhar, where 50 other schools were also in the competition. Gurfateh Singh Padda and Uday Kumar from class 3rd got gold medals in karate, whereas silver medal was bagged by Sahib Mali of class 4th. Baljeet Singh from class 4th and Simrat Kaur from class 1st got bronze medals in karate competition. Some of our students went to Pathankot to take part in the athletics organized by CBSE, and our volleyball team performed in Hoshiarpur. Every year we organize annual athletic meet in which we ensure the maximum participation of our students. Along with the classroom learning, where we try to focus more on skills like coding and English speaking, we make our students participate in various co-curricular activities and competitions. We conduct a variety of competitions such as poem recitation, speech, declamation, debate, quiz, rangoli making, cooking without fire, poster making, etc. Every year to enrich the students. Moreover, we celebrate all important days such as Earth Day, Red Cross Day, Labor Day, Mother's Day, Teachers Day, Mother Tongue Day, etc. with great zeal. Our students celebrate national festivals such as Republic Day, Independence Day, as well as prominent festivals such as Diwali, Dussehra, Baisakhi, Teej, Rakhi and Janmashtami, etc. with great enthusiasm. Next, in order to foster values and ethics among students which form the foundation of an individual's character, we make our students participate in religious exams such as Gurmat Gyan and Gurbani Kanth Muqabla every year. Someone has rightly said that traveling can be one of the most rewarding form of introspection. So every year we organize picnics, excursions and one-day trips for our students, and we try our level best to make these excursions very memorable for our students. My report would have been incomplete without appreciating my dedicated team of teachers. They are more than educators, they are mentors, role models and guides. They nurture not just the intellect but the hearts and souls of the students. They recognize the unique potential in every child and help them discover it for themselves. Their dedication goes beyond the call of duty as they work tirelessly to ensure that each student feels valued, understood and empowered. As we reflect on our accomplishments, we also recognize the opportunities that lie ahead. With the continued support of the eminent members of managing committee, very supportive parents and dedicated teachers, we are poised to achieve even greater success in the coming year. I would like to sum up the report with these inspirational lines. जब आँखों में अरमान लिया, मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, तो मुश्किल क्या आसान किया, बस ठान लिया तो ठान लिया. Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing such a detailed and inspiring account of our institution progress and achievements. Your leadership continues to guide us towards greater success, and we are truly grateful for your unwavering dedication and vision.
Now I would like to hand over stage to Ekam and Manvi.
Rajpreet Kaur from 3rd grade is going to grace the stage with her electrifying moves in a solo dance performance. So let's call upon her to on the stage. Please clap for her.
Thank you. मुझे